go, boys. Activate.
Hang a hard right, hug that rock there.
Rock.
Weather came up a little bit. Finally hearing a little bit of radio chatter of some fish, so got the baits in the right depth. Trying to get back out to 200 feet into some bait balls, but gonna keep on grinding. Troll, troll, troll. Tune in.
Spider, get it.
Yeah, we have a double.
Yeah, I feel it. Oh yeah, I feel it. Oh yeah.
Okay, dude, you gotta get the net.
Your chances.
Nice.
Double!
Spider. Yeah, bite. Get him, Adam. Let's go, Adam.
But it was worth it because we got 4 salmon.
Little strike mission. Left late last night and spent the night. Woke up first in line for the launch and headed out to kind of some deep water and found a bunch of whales and bait and everything we needed. And it was a very slow morning until, you know, about noon. We finally put, what do we got, double?
Yeah, we got a double.
Yeah,
We had a double off the bat, and that was kind of like the start of everything. And from there on in, I mean, it got more windy, but we were picking fish through the rest of the day. Had a couple little casualties, but super fun to be back out there, and definitely took it on the way home. It was rough for the little skiff. I mean, a bigger boat you'd be fine, but we took a little bit of water.
Had to pay our dues a little bit for the salmon we caught, but that's what it's all about.
Nice to see chrome again.
Great first trip up here to kind of just like establish things and figure it out. And stoked to come home successful, and can't wait to come back and try again. And who knows, maybe this fish will move down into our waters and we'll be doing this out front soon.
Yeah, it's not out of the question. Yeah, yesterday we went down to the bait dock. Buddy drove us out there. It was closed, but we were lucky enough to get some fresh sardines and anchovies, and went back and put those things on rock salt and got them super chilled down and cured and vacuum sealed them. And that was pretty much like the kind bait today.
That was our hot bait today. I think we had most of our fish on the fresh baits. We had 1 fish on a silver spoon, which was pretty cool.
We heard some people out there caught fish higher up in about 60 feet of water.
We did have one at 20 feet
we had a
in
fish
hand.
at
The
20
last
feet.
last fish, and super windy where we needed to go home. Turned the boat
You guys
up,
have already watched it.
letting it go down, and thing
Letting
ate
it go
in half.
bye-bye.
I was at 20 pulls and the thing ripped out of my hand. It was pretty cool. Ended up losing that fish, but overall the day was amazing. And somehow we did it late in the day again. We had high hopes, but it was definitely a grind for a minute there.
We're gonna start dubbing ourselves the 9th inning kids. I think that's pretty much what's been happening in the last couple of trips, but hey, we'll take it.
Let us know what you guys thought of the video in the comments below. Also, let us know if you guys have ever fished Avila Beach for salmon before. We'd love to hear from you guys. Also, we're interested in hearing what you guys want to see from us. We do have some ideas planned ahead of time for some trips, but we'd love to hear from you guys. Let us know what you want to see, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
See you in the water, tight lines.
Let's go, boys. Activate.